Guys, I've been working a lot with heat shrink tubing on this board this winter, on different parts of the board, corrugated pipes, sealing, new electric, everything. But a lot of heat shrinking tubes I applied on DEUTSCH connectors, DTP, DT, and even DTM. And I decided to make a kind of note for myself and share with you about what heat shrink tubing you can use with DT connectors and how you can minimize your inventory. So we will finally find just 2 tubes that you will need in most of your cases, but we will consider about 5 or probably even 7 of them. The video will be full of examples of real applications of these DEUTSCH connectors and tubes for them in different parts of this board. So stay with me and let's go. So let's start from a few options from HellermanTyton. I have 3 of them here in my hands. I already used some of them. They are 1.2 meters each. They consider it to be 3:1 with adhesive layer. That's the only one you have to use when you deal with marine application. And they are, so I told already, yeah, 1 and 2 meters, and they are considered to be thin wall. We can look at here, thin walled, yeah. So that is the range, etc. Okay, I wouldn't call this thin, especially on the biggest one. Well, yeah, it's a kind of thin, but when it shrinks, it's quite good wall. The price for them, well, my price for this 12 to 4, the smallest one, is about €7. 18 to 6 is about €10, and that one is about €15. In DT series of DEUTSCH connector, DT, not DTM, M for mini, not DTP, P for power, you have the minimum one is 2 pins connector, and the smallest tube will not work here. It will not fit. Yeah. So the next one that we have seen, it will fit, and probably even the rule of 80-20 will work. So I found that one quite good, or probably the best solution for about these cups of DT connectors. For example, I applied it here, and you can see a lot of glue here. The sealing is quite good. The HellermanTyton tubes, they are good on a lot of glue inside, so they do a nice sealing. It's quite soft. Well, not so flexible, I mean flexible, yeah, not so, but quite okay. And now we will have an example of using this tube. 18 by 6, yeah, it's similar to the one done here, not similar, the same actually. So, and now I will use this, and you can watch how the process goes. You can see the glue very well sealed, the glue here, and that modification of the plug with a long cup helps with heat shrinking. It's designed specifically for that, because that step holds the tube from moving from its place. The problem that I met a lot on just flat pipes, for example corrugated pipes. So quite good sealing, I would say. Quite nice. You should cut actually straight if you want to have it nicer. When you have more than 2 pins in DT, for example 3 pin, this cup is not for shrinking tube, but doesn't matter. Or 6 pin, again not for the shrinking tube, but doesn't matter. This second tube will not work. How about this one, the biggest one, the bigger one? So for 6, when you have the cup with shrinking tube, it should be more or less okay. By the way, I see that I do have. Let me show you then. So look, yeah. Well, it shouldn't go so tight. It's not according to the right shrinking process, but it's okay. So you can use this when you have a version more than 2 pins. For example, here is 6 with this cup for the shrinking tube. So here I have receptacle for 6 pins, and I put this heat shrink tubing 3-to-124 by 8 HellermanTyton, and let's take a look. I think first time to me how it works. Well, that's the result. About 3 months passed from the time when I recorded previous material, but I will try to continue now. So if for some reason you are not satisfied with the result of this, the biggest one tube, that one, yeah, so you may wish to use a HellermanTyton 30 by 8. It is, if I remember right, medium wall. I will put in the description below, but actually I would call this really thick wall. I will now show you how I applied this here. So I applied this actually on DTP connectors. That is here and here, and not actually here, sorry, just here. Okay, let me, no, I don't want to disconnect. This is DTP 2 pins, and you can see it's really tough, hard and thick wall tube, a lot of glue. No glue. So it's probably doesn't look nice, but functionality protection is the best one outdoor. So okay. However, if I would need to make it again now, yeah, we are aiming for reducing our stock of different types of tube, right? So I wouldn't use this one. I would use probably these two if I need really heavy wall and tough. Let's take a look on them. It's quite interesting situation with them in compare with these 3. Actually, with this one, these 2. So look, HellermanTyton Medium 19 by... oh no. Oh no. Hello Tima, if you watch my video. Well, okay, I closed the gate of my garage now. It's quite a gain. Yeah, look at this. HellermanTyton 19 by 6 medium. Again, medium 19 by 6, but look, 4:1. 19 by 6. I wanted to have something more, less than 24. And yeah, something like little bit more than 18. And I decided, okay, let's try 19. But guys, let's take a look. I take this one and put it here. Look at this. I was really surprised. Yeah, I measured them also with caliper. So I was really surprised. They are the same. Not 18 is here, but 24 by 8 and 19 by 6 are the same. 24 and 19, they are the same in diameter, initial diameter, this current, yeah, how they supply it. Yeah, so I think it's something about 4:1 instead of 3:1. I really don't know. But guys, when you want to buy something like a little bit more than a little bit less than 80, 24, and you buy 19 by 6, you receive the same like 24. Or when you actually want to buy, let's forget, it's too complicated. Now, the interesting stuff, look at this. For example, this HellermanTyton, yeah, it says 19 by 6 here. Well, but look at this Ensto. They are basically the same. Well, I don't know how they will behave, we will soon know, but in diameter they are the same. And it is also 4:1. Why do I know this? I actually don't know why do I know this. Yeah, it's also a medium. But look at this. So HellermanTyton 19 by 6, but Ensto 19.6, 22.6. That's quite interesting stuff. I really don't understand this marking. So they understand that it is not 19. Well, guys, I don't know how to understand these things, but we have all them the same diameter initial. If we want to fit something with them, we should understand what actually diameter we have here, and they three are the same. So, and I told you that I wouldn't use HellermanTyton 30 by 8 again, probably, yeah, so if I wouldn't have it. And now I have a project where I design a kind of adapter with DTP 2-pin connector. That one, DTP, P is for power, so it's 25 amperes connectors, yeah, 2-pin, yeah, so that's why they are bigger. Adapter from this one to alligators, clips, crocodiles. So yeah, I have actually a lot of video about DTP connectors and why I do this. I'm do unified charging solutions in my board. So, and now I will use, instead of this one, as you have seen there in the board there, oh, no board anymore. So I will now use, let's first use HellermanTyton here, yeah, and let's see how it works. I will put this tool in the description. Well, it's quite boring with closed door in that sunshine Sunday. So, and my IC source is better available there. Now we will be shrinking this tube, yeah. So, and why HellermanTyton? Because Ensto is local Finnish brand, I guess. Probably it's not available for you. Let's take a look. We do more noisy than neighbors now. I think a little bit too far. But I don't care too much, okay? A little bit too far. I put it, but it will now sleep. I know behavior of HellermanTyton. Look at this. Yeah. Look at this. Nice, right? Yeah. It slip away, but this cup for heat shrinking tube on the DTP connectors, it holds it from slipping away. Sleeping, it's about something else that I will be do soon. Maybe not so soon. Blah blah blah. Just show the process. We understand what you mean. Even with this terrible English. Wow, you can see glue, yeah? I have no clue how much glue. I think that's fine. Nice, by the way. Heat gun, top gun, yeah, there is top gun. You can put it this way. So, okay, well, look at this piece of art. Yeah, that's really, how would I say, awesome for extremely sealing condition tubes. Look how much glue adhesive comes from. Ow, what you did. Ow. From there. Yeah, I know HellermanTyton tubes has really a lot of adhesive, and that's nice if you are not about the look but about sealing. Look at this here. Yeah, so do I need this part? No, I don't, so I don't care. Well, that cup for heat shrinking tube, designed specifically for heat shrinking tube, it holds this tube. Otherwise it would sleep ring, I don't know, move away to there. So, but it doesn't move. Nice, but it moved from here. Yep. So, well, quite interesting. I guess I will still apply also Ensto and show you. You look where? Here. When I now do this negative here, I don't want to put this protective sleeve, cup, handle, I don't know how would you call this. I think I will do heat shrinking. Well, the project is about the tubes, not about the design of the adapter. Soon, quite soon. Okay, let me show you anyway what tricks I applied here. Yeah, a butt slice, I think, connector, and then crimped it within this, so I don't want any soldering. Yeah, but now heat shrinking of Ensto tube, and here. First time together with you. Wait a moment, guys. I think I don't want it to be that close. It's getting hot, it's getting hot. My wife is looking what I'm doing. here. Okay. Everything is fine. I'm just doing stupid content. I don't know who is interested to watch this, but at least it will be a kind of note for myself what kind of tubes I have been using for different projects. Yeah. Well, yeah, the same lot of glue. Yeah, I know this. I think it's quite enough. Let's stop it. Ah, no, we overheated. Ay. Well, guys, it's not quite about Deutsch connectors anymore, yeah? Tubes for Deutsch connectors, but probably you are keen to know what I'm going to do. So if not, you just can skip this. I think I will cover this part, the sick part, with HellermanTyton, that one 30 by 8 here. But you can see that this Ensto has also the same amount of nice glue, even probably more, I don't know. So, and I think I just overheated it. I think if I would use HellermanTyton, the result would be the same, but I will use HellermanTyton on the no, here I want the red one, so I will show you here the red one. HellermanTyton I probably will use on my next project. Okay, but let's prepare with you this negative part for that project together with I don't know the length yet. sorry. Yeah, well, let me take some pause and meditate. It was HellermanTyton. I decided to record this anyway, probably for myself, and check the behavior of this tube, if it will if this will be broken or not. Yeah, so I think it's fine. Actually, this problem that it's blow, I met a lot with all transparent tubes. I don't know what's the difference in their design, but that's what I met. So guys, you know, these kind of sleeves, they always a kind of problem, but that is definitely quite good solution. Soon when it's cold, I take it out. Not soon, actually, it will take maybe 10 minutes. Hey guys, that's fun. Did I show you that I'm going to do red here? Yeah, could you imagine this nice adapt? You got the point, yeah. Of course I need another black here. Yeah, so, and I don't want to use the original one. So now that's where I will apply HellermanTyton, and let's see if it will be blown or not. So let's see if it kind of different from the Ensto. I think it's not. But I need to overheat it. It looks like it's shrinking faster. I don't know, maybe it's just... Ow. I actually don't want to overheat it. I want just to make the final product. Look how I'm going to do here soon. Well. Yeah, I don't want to overheat. Let's see if it's not blown by itself. And that is the trick that you can do with any tube if you want to seal it on the open end. Oh, no. Where do we hand this end? Here. Yeah. It's too hot now, so I need to wait a little bit. So guys, I either really overheated Ensto too much previously, or this HellermanTyton is actually better. Because it's not blown here. Yeah. So anyway, you got the point, I hope, about using this the medium wall, but 4:1, so I would say this really heavy wall, shrink tubing on DTP connectors, or actually wherever you need them. Yep. Let me think what next. Well guys, we will continue with doing this adapter, but we'll stay in DEUTSCH connectors. Look, the red one. Yeah, so I prepared this one, and look, that is the tube. For example, you might want to have red one for DEUTSCH connector for some reason. I don't know, because you are sealing connector with positive and negative. Why do you need red one? But still, you might want to have it. So this is the part number, and it is the same like 18x6 HellermanTyton. Look, yeah, so diameter is the same like this one by diameter, and the part number yeah, you have seen. So this is Molex 3:1, blah blah blah, etc. And let's just try and see how it works here, and that's it. Yeah, so I have another one, red one, but let's try. Oh. Ow. Yeah, a kind of hot. A kind of 550 degrees. A kind of. I use maximum. I don't care about the right temperature. I just use maximum and just control heat shrinking by hitting my fingers. Ow! Not always I control it quite well. Yeah, I think it has a problem with this diameter. Yeah, it definitely has an issue with sealing this small diameter of cable. Yeah, but we are fine. It's not weatherproof solution. Yeah, something like that. Okay guys, before I do the summary, let me show how I seal this, the second end, with another tube again. This tube, I think it was covered in my heat shrinking tubing for corrugated pipes project, so that is part number, and this is the tube. That's it. I will put it in the description. Wow, what hot is here? Wow, some glue is here. How it happened? Everything is off, everything is safe. Well, how we got glue on the gun, I don't remember. I don't know. Yeah, and and 3 months ago it was about DEUTSCH connectors, but now it's about alligator clamps, heat shrink tubing, something like that. But okay guys, probably you will find this tubes also needed for your DEUTSCH connectors project. So let's see how they work. It works perfectly here, I guess. Yeah. The same approach I will use here as for the black one. I will now press, push it here. Wow, again, what is there wrong? What is wrong there? How we got glue there? I have to clean it soon. So this way, okay, but again we are about DEUTSCH connectors, so let's finally go to summary. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that I'm done with this adapter. What else is needed? Black is ready, red is ready, glue, extra glue is removed. I have no clue what to do with this glue. Well guys, summary. Yeah, let's get back to our main subject. How to reduce inventory, stock, storage, I think inventory is more proper word for this, of your heat shrink tubing for DEUTSCH connectors. Let's first simplify. You basically only need these two tubes. This HellermanTyton 18x6 and this 24x8, and you are covered for most of connectors up to 6 pins, and also in DT, and also DTM, and also DTP at least 2 pins, and probably 4 pins with that one. I already don't remember. So it's like simple version. You have seen red tubes. I'm not going to repeat and say anything else about them. I don't know why would you need red tubes for heat shrinking DEUTSCH connectors. So when would you need to use the smallest one, 12x4? Never for DT or DTP, but you might want to use it for DTM connectors. DTM Oh no. Oh no, just believe me. So DTM 2 pins will fit here. You can still use that one 18 by 6 because it is by 6. So it will shrink even for tiny small DTM connectors up to the ceiling point for them. So 6, well, here is 4, so it might be about diameter of your final cable if it's more than if it's yeah, less than 6, then you probably want to have this one, but probably no, probably never. About this two, well, Ensto probably is not available for you, but the price, my price, is that one in compare with HellermanTyton. But still, if we think about blowing, I don't know if I overheated Ensto, maybe not, I don't know. So, but still, so this HellermanTyton 4x1 you might want to use in some cases where you need hard, tough connection, but again it can be substituted with that one, which is considered is it actually thin walled, yeah. So again 24 by 8, so again and again you probably only need these two. About 30 by 8, I don't know when you need it. And finally, if your cable is smaller, then the tube can shrink. Do you understand what I mean? Let me just show you what you can do then. You can apply that trick that I applied here. Look at this. Oh, do you see it? Well, here, look, two cables. This was this HellermanTyton 30 by 8. It's well here, but not well here, and I have two cables here. You just push in the middle, and that's how you go with that tube. Yep. So once again, this two, and that's probably it. That's it, guys. Isn't it sexy adapter? I think it's done quite well. Yeah. Like, subscribe, and do your comments. And guys, I have video about everything I did in this board this winter. If you're interested specifically in DEUTSCH connectors, I have a playlist with a lot of things about them, about this nice charging socket, this adapter, DT, DTP, DTM series. If you are interested in heat shrinking tubes, I also have a few video about even that huge heat shrink tubing, that big one that I applied on a huge cable gland, or other tubes that I applied on corrugated pipes, or smaller tubes that I used for sealing different eye socket alarm solutions, like this cable, or for the float sensor in this board. I have this video on my channel. I put the link on two main video about heat shrinking tubes. About DEUTSCH connectors, I think you can find just a playlist about them on my channel. Well, and all other stuff about this board, if you are interested, you can also search on my channel. Peace. I mean that opposite to war, not a piece of pipe. Yeah, you got the point.